Hello everyone, it's Olga Hedvan from Decoupage Queen, and today I want to introduce you to two of my new collections that just have arrived at Decoupage Queen: Midnight Echoes and Raven's Archive. A little darker, a little moodier, and definitely a little bit more mysterious. Think old rooms, candlelights, mysterious creatures, faded florals, and slightly gothic atmosphere that makes you want to create something with story behind it. Of course, they are absolutely perfect for Halloween projects, but honestly, I wouldn't save these papers just for October. If you love darker, vintage, moody, slightly gothic projects, there is plenty here to play all year around. Personally, I think that we give you a really nice variety with a lot of different designs to choose from. We made sure that you have variety of colors and different patterns, matching perfectly with each other between both of the lines. We also included papers with the 4 smaller images on them for your smaller projects, like boxes, cards, tags, little assemblage projects, or altered frames. And you also have plenty options to choose from over here, from moody, mysterious rooms and scenes to adorable pet portraits in that Edwardian Gothic vibe. And I absolutely love those pet portraits. They're so cute and so fun to work with. Papers come in variety of sizes, and on the screen you can see a comparison between A4 and A3 paper in case that you want to use one of those smaller images in a little bit bigger format. And to make choosing your products and supplies a little bit easier, there is also a special product kit with pent-out products that I selected specifically to work beautifully with all those papers. Inside you will find 3 colors of gorgeous matte acrylic paint, deluxe paste in emerald with that gorgeous sparkle, and the pearl pen in the black diamond, which is, yes, black and sparkly as well, because I believe everything is better with a little bit sparkle. So if those moody little worlds are calling your name, check out all the links in the description box. And I hope that you will fall a little bit in love with the darkness with me and Decoupage Queen.